So now, before I start the video, I would like to say good morning to all of you. Today here in Manila, there's a typhoon, and I will show you the flood. Look at this, guys. Yeah, the road is so many water. Look at that, guys. There's a flood. You see? Guys. Look at that, guys. Inday. I need to long, guys, to get the money. Because the money to my customer to buy a rice. Day! Anday! Gladys, it's what's happening? What's happening there? Day! Day!
Bakit?
Anong bakit? Pinapunta ko dyan ni Jason. Bakit?
Ay, wala pa.
Oh, sige. Bahala kayo mag-usap. Okay, guys.
Para makalang kayo.
Ha? Oo nga. Umulan pa naman, guys. The rain is so very strong. Because there is a typhoon today, guys. I think signal number 2. So the flood is there. This is a road, but if you see, there are so many water in the rain. The rain falls down and the road is flooded. Look at that, guys. The road is flood. There's so many water because of the rain. Yes. So I need to go to another customer and to get money, and that's why. You're my ambassador. What a thing. Gladys. Oh, wow. Let me see raining, guys, today. The weather is not good because there is a typhoon today here in Manila. What a rain. You're the thing that I've been looking for, and now it's so long. Oh, this time I will fall in love again. You know it's gonna be with you. You're the one. Some I will fall in love again. Bakit nga ba ang puso pag nagmamahal na ay sadyang nakapagtataka? Ang bawat sandali mayroon ang mga ngiti dahil langit ang nagdarama. Para bang lahat ay walang hangganan dahil sa tamis na nararanasan mula sa puso ay tunay ngang ganyan. Nais ko ikaw ang laging yakap-yakap. Yakap nga sana'y wala nang utas. Ang bawat sandali mayroon ng mga ngiti dahil langit ang nadarama. There was a time in my life when I opened my eyes and there you were. You were more than a dream. I could reach it. I could reach out and touch. For so long ago, there was something that I guess I never know. When you love someone, you gotta learn to let them go. When I dream about you, that's when everything alright. You're in my arms, you're next to me forever. Dream about you, girl, never go away. Just close my eyes, wait for my dreams. I'm still loving you. Just what is it in me? Sometimes I just don't know what keeps me in your love. Why you never let me go? Oh, you're with me now. I'm hurt to steal. My Lord, please show me how to know just how you feel. You have forgiven me so many times it seems. Feeling that what you might call a word of Christian after and all love. Temptation and sweet of me, teach me, trust in you with all of my heart. To lean on my own understanding, I just forget. You won't give us what we can't. Take me out of the dark, my Lord. I don't wanna be there. Ooh, my Lord. Tell me, where did I go wrong? What do make you change your mind completely? When I thought this love would never end, that is this love. Okay guys, ang gusto ko is sabay ng aking pisingin ko sa tinda namin ng isda. Gladys! Gladys, tao po! Where's your mother? Hindi nga. Nandito si si Jason. Jason! Okay. Hanggang dito lang guys sa aking pag-vlog. Ubus na guys. Up. Bye. God bless you guys.